Unlike the cloudy weather yesterday, the skies stayed clear today. With warm westerly winds blowing from this afternoon, the daytime temperature in Seoul rose to 14 degrees Celsius, about 4 degrees below the average. Tomorrow, the temperature will rise further and it will move back to the typical warm spring conditions. Seoul will be as warm as 23 degrees during the day, about 9 degrees higher than today. Even though rain clouds have moved away, strong winds are blowing across the country today. For the time being, there will be a moment when gusty winds of more than 50 meters per second blow nationwide. Please take extra precautions in advance. Tomorrow morning, Seoul and Daejeon will start off at 6 degrees, Daegu at 5 degrees. Daily highs will move up to 22 degrees in Chuncheon, 26 degrees in Daegu and Gyeongju. More rain is forecast in Gyeonggi-do province and southern parts of Gangwon-do province on Thursday. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.